following tutorial point. In this session we are going to discuss about the rules for obtaining the image by the lenses. See, we will consider some rules to form the image by the lenses. Here I am considering two lenses, that is convex lens and concave lens. Coming to ray diagram 1, first I am considering a convex lens, and we know that this is the principal axis and the center point is called as optical center, and this is the principal axis. Here we can consider a focus of the lens, that is f1, and this is the focus of the lens f2, first surface, second surface. And now coming to the first rule, a ray which is passing through the principal axis will go undeviated. It will go undeviated, it won't take any deviation, it will go straight. So a ray which is passing through principal axis will go undeviated. And if you consider the concave lens, so this is the concave lens. So for concave lens also same situation we can consider, as it is a optical center. This is the principal axis and this will be f2 and this will be f1, and a ray which is passing through the principal axis will go undeviated. So this is the first case for both convex and concave lens. And coming to ray diagram 2, again consider a convex lens, and this is the optical center and this is the principal axis, and this is f1, focus for the first surface and focus for the second surface. And now here a ray which is passing through the optical center will go undeviated. A ray which is passing through the optical center, this is optical center now. So a ray which passes through the optical center will go undeviated. It won't deviate, it will go straight. In the same way, if you consider for concave lens also, this is concave lens and this is optical center and this is the principal axis and this is the focus for second surface and this is the focus for first surface. Here also same situation we can consider, a ray which is, this is the optical center now, a ray which is passing through the optical center will go undeviated. It won't deviate from its path. So these are two ray rules. And now coming to the ray diagram 3. Ray diagram 3. Now consider again a convex lens. This is the optical center and this is the principal axis and this is the focus for first surface and this is the focus for second surface. Now a ray which is passing through the focus, see here a ray is passing through the focus and it is hitting on the lens. It is passing through the focus and hitting on the lens. So a ray which is passing through the focus and hitting the lens, after hitting the lens it will be parallel to principal axis. That means it will be straight. This is the principal axis now, so it will be parallel to the principal axis. And same situation if you consider for concave lens. This is concave lens, this is the optical center and this is the principal axis. This is the focus for second surface and this is the focus for first surface. So here if you consider a ray which is passing, this is focus for first surface, a ray which is passing or appears to pass through focus. See, actually if you consider this ray will appears to pass through focus. If you consider a straight line, it will appear to pass, but it won't actually. So when it hit the lens here, it will be parallel to principal axis. it appears to pass from focus, a ray which appears to pass through focus, after touching the lens, it will be parallel to principal axis. These both are same only, but here we know that the convex lens is a converging lens, so it converges the ray, and we know that the concave lens is a diverging lens, it diverges the ray. So this is the third situation. And coming to fourth situation, coming to ray diagram 4, again I am considering a convex lens, optical center, principal axis, focus for first surface, focus for second surface, and now a ray which is parallel to principal axis. Here a ray is parallel to principal axis, so after touching the lens, it will pass through the focus. A ray which is parallel to principal axis, it will pass through the focus. That means it is the reverse of this case. Here it is passing through the focus, after touching the lens it will be parallel to principal axis. But here a ray which is parallel to principal axis, after touching the lens it will be going through the focus. And now if you consider the convex lens, so this is the convex lens, this is the optical center, and this is the principal axis. Here we will consider focus for first second surface, focus for first surface, and a ray which is parallel to principal axis. See here the ray is parallel to principal axis, and it appears to pass through the focus. That means, see, actually it will, as it is a diverging lens, the ray will diverge, but it appears to diverging from the focus. It appears to diverge from the focus. So a ray which is parallel to principal axis, it appears to diverge from the focus. Here it will pass through focus, and here it appears to pass through focus. But see, if you extend the ray which is diverging away, if you extend it, it appears to coming from this focus only. So this is the rule 4. So these are the 4 ray rules for obtaining the image for the lenses. First 2 rules we can consider that undeviated cases. That means when the ray is passing along the principal axis, it won't deviate, and when the ray is passing through the optical center, then also it won't deviate. These 2 are undeviated cases. And coming to the third case, ray which is passing through the focus will be parallel to principal axis. And coming to fourth case, a ray which is parallel to principal axis will pass through focus or appears to pass from the focus. So these are the 4 ray rules, and we can consider one more undeviated case. When a ray is passing through the normal. See, if you consider the normal for the lens, if the ray is passing along the normal, then the ray also will be undeviated. So 3 undeviated cases we can consider, and the rest of the 2 are this one, third one and fourth one. So these are the ray rules for obtaining the image for the lenses. Thank you.